Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm your friend Poonam, who's also an accountant. Today, the topic is investing for beginners. If you are young or old and have always wanted to invest or learn about investing, then this video is right for you. When I was young, I was very much interested, but due to the circumstances and my surroundings, I was not educated on the stocks or educated on the investing. So I'm making this video for people who are interested in doing some investment, small like $100, but don't know where to start. So this video is for you. So in order to do investment, first you have to open an investment account. So these are the list of companies where you can go and open an investment account. You can open it online or you can go to the physical office and then open the account. Charles Schwab, JP Morgan, TD Ameritrade. So after you open the account, the next step is to pick where you want to invest. Do you want to invest in information technology? You want to invest in real estate? What do you want to invest in? So for that, you have to do a lot of study and research, which can be a little bit daunting. So I've done the homework for you. Based on my personal experience and some experience and suggestions from the professional, if you are new to investing and you don't know where to start, you should start with S&P 500. S&P 500 is an investment portfolio of top 500 companies that are in the United States and large companies. And the average annual rate of return of S&P 500 is 12%. Guess what in 2023? The rate of return of S&P 500. It was 24%. S&P 500 made 24% rate of return last year. But we take an average of 10 years, that would be 12%. And what companies are in S&P 500? Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, Meta, Visa, Berkshire Hathaway, Procter & Gamble, Home Depot, Oracle, Merck, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, and all, etc. So you are the beginner and you want to invest $100 a week. If you're investing $100 a week, annual rate of return 12%. If you invest $100 for next 10 years, your rate of return will be more than $100,000. But if you invest $1,000 instead of $100, 12%, 10 years, rate of return will be $1 million. So my friend, invest in S&P 500. That's the best, safest, and for beginners, beginner friendly. Let the money stay there and grow. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment below. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye now.